Tired of ChatGPT asking for confirmation every time you run a simple status check? You'll see exactly how to control confirmation prompts in FastMCP tools, using annotations to skip unnecessary approvals for read-only operations while keeping destructive actions protected.
At MCP, tool annotations equals read-only-hint, true. Def get status, SDR. And check system status. Return all systems operational. At MCP, tool, #no annotation ChatGPT may ask for confirmation. Def delete item ID, SDR. Delete an item. Return F deleted id.
This demonstrates the tool exposure pattern for AI integration frameworks. The decorator-based approach transforms ordinary Python functions into AI-callable tools while preserving clean separation between business logic and interface concerns. What makes this distinctive is how it uses Python's native type system and decorators to create self-describing endpoints without manual schema definitions. The pattern works by treating decorated functions as declarative contracts. The framework introspects type hints and docstrings at runtime to generate complete tool specifications, while your implementation remains pure domain logic. This creates a clean boundary where the framework handles discovery, validation, and transport, but your code stays focused on its core responsibility. This approach solves the impedance mismatch between AI systems and backend services. By eliminating manual API boilerplate, you reduce coupling while gaining automatic type safety and documentation. It's particularly valuable for AI agent integrations where you need to expose capabilities predictably, with the added benefit of framework-managed confirmation flows for destructive operations. Let's break it down line by line.
At MCP, tool annotations equals read-only-hint, true. Def get status, SDR. And check system status.
This decorator exposes getStatus as an AI-callable tool with a read-only hint, signaling to models that this operation is safe to call without confirmation. The annotation prevents unnecessary approval prompts for non-destructive operations, improving workflow efficiency.
Return all systems operational.
This returns a static status string, implementing the read-only tool pattern. The @MCP tool decorator with read-only hint signals to AI models that this function is safe to call without confirmation, as it doesn't modify system state.
At MCP, tool, #no annotation ChatGPT may ask for confirmation. Def delete item ID, SDR. Delete an item.
This defines an AI-callable tool without the read-only hint annotation, making it a destructive operation. The absence of this annotation signals to AI models that explicit confirmation may be required before execution, adding a safety layer for state-changing actions. The function follows the same schema pattern as getStatus, but with a required string parameter for the item ID.
Return F deleted id.
This returns a formatted confirmation string to the AI caller. The F string dynamically inserts the deleted item's ID, providing clear feedback that the operation completed successfully. FastMCP tool annotations. The read-only hint and destructive hint annotations guide client UIs to present appropriate safety controls, while remaining purely advisory for the server implementation. Annotations don't enforce security boundaries. They only suggest UI behavior to clients. Accurate annotations create better user experiences by matching UI expectations with actual tool behavior.
The hint that asks for nothing controls everything.